Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. It is time for a little bit of Spanish. And when I say a little bit of Spanish, y'all, I mean a little bit of Spanish. Y'all are trying to turn me into a full-blown Spanish teacher. The purpose of my daily Spanish was to encourage me to work on my pronunciation and to work on using Spanish daily, because if I don't purposely try to engage in Spanish, I can go days without speaking Spanish. So that was the purpose of my daily Spanish, not to make you all fluent, which I am not. It was just to share some phrases, to give you some words, just to have something to make myself use my Spanish each and every day. But you are getting very technical. Y'all want phonetic classes. You want a little bit of everything. So we are doing some basic today. I'm going to teach y'all just a few colors, and that is it. And then who knows if this daily Spanish is going to continue, because I feel like it's getting a little bit stressful. So today we are going to learn just some colors: black, negra, blue, azul, white, blanco, red, roja, pink, rosado, and yellow, amarillo. So those are our that's our little bit of Spanish for today. And maybe I will see you all tomorrow for a little bit of Spanish. Who knows? I'm an island girl. We're unpredictable. But thank you all for watching. Regular episodes are every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you all enjoyed the episode last night. It was very informative. But have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell, and enjoy. I will talk to you all soon.